The cordon cue, and that is gonna be our thin sliced pit beef wrapped around pork barbecue. Deep fry it.
Walk me through this.
Take 5 slices of that beef and you're gonna lay them out in like a star pattern.
Bottom round, right?
Bottom round flats.
How are you doing the pork?
We're braising overnight in an oven with a little water, vinegar, and our barbecue seasoning. We cover it with a piece of foil and let it go for about 275 degrees for 12 hours.
Delicious.
Heat it up a little bit.
So we'll give it right in the center. Cheese is down, like so.
Exactly. Go from the flour to the egg wash, and then from the egg wash to my favorite, the cornflake crumbs.
Look at this thing. 350-degree oil.
Lower it in nice and slow.
Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it.
Put a little bit of that gold barbecue sauce on the bottom of the roll.
Slaw's going on this as well, I assume?
Yes, it is. So you'll take that dressing. It's mayo, vinegar, sugar, pepper, salt. We go pickles, coleslaw. Cut the sandwich in half so you can see all them layers in there.
Are you kidding me?
There you go.
This is gonna hurt. Dude. This takes a pit beef sandwich to a whole new level. This takes chicken fried steak to a whole new level.